Smilog today. Start my watch. Last run of the week. This week has been proper intense. I think it's going to end on about 70 miles this week, as we're about 6 weeks away from Mid Wales 200. The build has been, it's been a slog, but it's been really good. I'm feeling super fit at the moment, which is lovely, and everything seems to be falling into place. Loads of miles, plenty of speed work, heart rate's dropped significantly, weight's dropped, all that fun stuff. And then we get to run here, which is fucking lovely. Yeah. Whoop whoop. Favourite chill spots. If you've never come up here, highly recommend parking Smilog Forest Car Park and just head north out of the forest, and then we're going to come across some beautiful hills, rolling hills. We'll head up towards Man of the Gear, which kind of overlooks Bridgend, and then we'll come back. Yeah, banging fucking route. We'll also go past Carriad Rock, which just at the top of this climb, which is a lovely viewpoint. And the last time I went up there, me and Luca were eating cheeseburgers, having a chat. It was lush. So yeah, whoop whoop. This is a Carriad Rock viewpoint. Today, and turn my music off, on the back of just being 60 miles in already, walk all the hills. I've got my bag packed, it's heavy, loads of water, snacks, etc. Just take it proper easy today. Sweat like fuck already. Whoop.
Gotta take